Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to express a bash command in pure Python. Introduction. Bash is a powerful command line shell that allows users to interact with their computer's file system and execute various tasks. However, sometimes it's beneficial to express a bash command in pure Python to leverage Python's scripting capabilities or when you need to run the command in a platform-independent manner. In this tutorial, we will show you how to translate a bash command into Python code using subprocess, a module that allows you to spawn new processes, connect to their input/output/error pipes, and obtain their return codes. Prerequisites. Steps to express a bash command in pure Python. Step 1. Import the subprocess module. To execute shell commands from Python, you'll need to import the subprocess module, which provides functions for interacting with the system shell. Step 2. Define the bash command. Next, define the bash command you want to run as a string. For example, if you want to list the files in a directory using ls. Step 3. Execute the bash command. Use the subprocess.run function to execute the bash command. Here's an example of how to run the ls command. Explanation. Step 4. Handling the command's output. The output of the bash command is stored in result.stout. You can then process or display the output as needed. Conclusion. You've learned how to express a bash command in pure Python using the subprocess module. This allows you to execute shell commands from your Python scripts, providing you with greater flexibility and platform independence. Remember to exercise caution when executing external commands, especially if they involve user input or sensitive operations. Example Python script. Feel free to replace ls with the bash command of your choice to convert and execute it in Python. ChatGPT.